morning, legends. You guys are doing good. I'm excited for the stream today. Hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate that. Good morning. Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna start right away. Hope you guys are doing good. Let me know. Let me know in the chat if we're doing good. Let me start up the music here. Give me a second. Hope you guys are doing all right. Let me know in the chat. How are you guys doing today? How are you guys doing today? Can you guys hear me? Is everything all right? Starting just before the timer. Never show them your next move. Hope you guys are doing good though. Let me start up the music. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. All right, let me know who's in the chat. We got Call Sign, Aloha, Electric, Marco. You guys are awesome. TR. Brian, welcome. Hope you guys are doing good. Surprise Attack. Yeah, we learn. Hope you're doing good. Thank you guys for already tuning in. Make sure to smash the like instantly to help the algorithm here, guys. To help the algorithm. And let's see. Give me a second here. Just logging into my accounts here. All right, let's see. We're gonna use 686. All right, let's see. All right, let's see what we have for today, though. What do we have for today? Today is looking interesting. Let me go over the charts real quick. What I'm looking for. I'm looking for longs at this current moment, right? I'm looking for longs at this current moment. I know we have Asia lows still untested to the downside. We have 830 lows from CPI from yesterday also to the downside. So it's a bit of a mixture here. It could also be the case that we're gonna have something like this, right? And price is gonna reverse down. For me, the most important thing is this current level that we're looking at. The weekly open with the fair value gap. If this gets inverted and we stay below, I'm gonna look for shorts, right? I'm gonna look for shorts. If we manage to flip above, I will be looking for short-term bulls back towards these relative equal highs to the upside. Guys, it's a lot of accumulation today. We have news today again. We have PPI later today. So make sure that you stay protected, okay? Protection at all costs, guys. Okay? Protection at all costs. In a lot of things in life, it's good to wear protection, right? It's also important to protect yourself here, okay? See what I'm saying? That's all I mean. Yeah, and similar today, if you guys want to do a giveaway today, let's hit 100 likes. And then we'll definitely do a giveaway today. So, yeah. Hope you guys are doing good, though. And when it comes to gold, gold is a bit of an iffy. I see some guys are longing. Well played on the longs here on gold. They took out the lows here. I'm like, I don't know what's going to happen. I actually shorted gold last night. Before I went to bed. So that actually played out pretty good. I could have increased my target way further. But it still managed to do pretty well here for the shorts for me on gold. And now I'm flat overall. I'm like, okay, what could happen here? We just closed the 3-hour bullish. 3-hour looks like a good sentiment for the longs here. But you still have those relative equal lows. I'm a little like, you know, like maybe they want to take it out. I'm not sure here. But let's see what happens if they touch back into London Open. And if they want to respect it, we could definitely look for the long continuation play here for the current 6-hour candle. We do need to see more downside momentum here for the DXY. What's currently happening? So it's looking, overall, it's looking all right. I mean, look at the closures, look at everything. We took out the highs here, the ones that I talked about on the daily time frame. You guys remember yesterday I said to you guys, it looks like they want to take that out. And what happened? That's awesome, right? It went all the way back up yesterday night. Like everyone was already, you know, cooling down, and this Nasdaq just went like, I'm gonna take everyone out. I'm gonna take everyone out. Look at this move, guys. Look at this move. This is recovery. It's just insane. Talking about the dollar, of course. But let's see what happens. Can we have the continuation play here, and then also have the continuation play higher also for gold? That's my main concern here. Let's see. Snowfall, hope you're doing good. Thank you for tuning in. Estonian Day Trader, hope you're doing good. Peace, Snell, hope you're doing good, guys. You guys are awesome. Tuning in. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. You also have to wear a helmet. Yeah, 100%, guys. Always wear a helmet, guys. You always need to wear a helmet. It's important here, guys. You guys are awesome, by the way. Tuning in already. 29 people in the first, 8 minutes. I don't know what to say. You guys are awesome. I truly appreciate every single one of you. So yeah, let's see what happens here for gold. If gold wants to continue to the downside here, I'm looking for a potential long for gold. And yeah, for the Nasdaq, it's the same thing. I'm gonna put an alert down. I need to see some lower prices here. Back towards the weekly open would be the ideal situation. Maybe it's gonna be another trade like the last time, that they're gonna close above 6 here on the 5, and then it gives it to us. We'll see what happens. So how's your guys' day as far? Like, guys, the trading society is blowing up. You guys we're just chatting, we're laughing, having fun all morning already. I don't know what to say. It's just awesome. It's awesome to see. Look at the magnet strategy here. That Parabolas doing it, killing it. Of course, I'm making some really nice food here with this goldfish tank. Look at that stuff. Guys, it's just amazing. It's amazing. It's good to see you guys are all having fun here. I really love that. Don't know what to say about it. I enjoy it completely. Cam Jam, hope you're doing good. Snowfall, you're completely right. Yeah, I'm not overtrading today for sure. Today is going to be a tough day, especially with the news coming up later today. So for the guys that are wondering, we have some major news today. We have the PPI coming out here. And the unemployment claims at the exact same time. It's going to be interesting today. This could definitely have some major impact on the overall sentiment of the market. Then tomorrow, we also have news tomorrow. We have the consumer sentiment at 4 p.m. and we have the core retail sales and the retail sales in general tomorrow as well at 2:30. All right, so it's going to be interesting. 2:30 for me, by the way, so it's 8:30 in the New York time. Yeah, it's going to be really interesting, guys. I'm wondering what's going to happen. That's for sure. For the guys, I told you guys last time, I received a new book. All right, give me a sec. So this is the book that I'm reading now. This is the book that I'm reading by Caesar, about Caesar. There you go. Man, holy shit. This shit, like those books and stuff, guys, like we're really living in a different era. Like genuinely, of course, it's like, this is like 350 BC, so it's like a really long time ago. But still, the whole point of it is like, man, it's just, it's so crazy to think about that if you now step into Rome, there would be gladiators, armies fighting over Rome. And now you just walk there, you drive your car, you know, you do whatever you feel like. Life is different, guys. Life is truly different. We're living in the best era to be alive as human beings. Enjoy it to the fullest, guys. Enjoy it to the fullest. Yo, hair looking better today. Yeah, it's looking good, bro. I appreciate that. It's becoming growing again. You see that I put the curl a little bit down to make sure that you don't see the hair loss. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Curls curling. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, and that's looking dirty after CPI destroying the opening. Yeah, it's looking real dirty at the moment. Depending on how you see it, post-war is I think clinically the best. Yeah, the golden era mostly starts after a rough period. It's the same stuff that happened after World War II. That was the gold era for America. After becoming the leading currency, the head currency. Let's see though. We got 40 people tuned in. Hope you guys are doing alright. Make sure to smash up the likes button, guys, if you enjoy the live streams. That truly does help out the stream a lot. That would be highly, highly appreciated. That would be highly appreciated. Let's see what we have for today, though. So, what is your bias for today, guys? Let me know in the chat. Are you guys looking for longs? Are you looking for shorts? Let me make the poll. Longs or shorts on NQ? Let's see. Longs, shorts. Let's see what you guys are looking for today. There you go. Let me know in the poll. I did not do the unbiased. Just press long or shorts. What is more likely for you? What do you think is going to be more likely today? I was long, fucked up, and made it back. I was longs. Yeah, let's see. I'm personally also preferring longs at the moment. At this current stage of the candle, I'm like, I think longs are going to be valid here, but I'm going to wonder whether or not we're going to break above 6 here first. That's my main concern here. I'm going to see what happens though. Let me open up a 5-minute chart here. Is this going to be the bottom wick for 6 for the continuation play back above? That's my main question right now. I might give it a crack if this stays above. I might give it a crack. If it closes above, then I do something like this. Use 6 o'clock low as my stop, and then try to target back to the highs, for example. We'll have to see though, because we have previous 6-hour high pretty near us. So LDO and 2 o'clock is pretty near actually. We'll see what happens. We got a new 15 coming in here as well in a minute. And we got another giveaway coming today, guys. So don't worry, we have another giveaway coming today. Make sure to smash up the likes if you want a giveaway today. I truly need the 100 likes today if you guys want a giveaway. So smash up the likes for the giveaway here. Yeah, I'm looking for a bull continuation here, Electric. I'm looking for a bull continuation play here. And just waiting to see whether or not it's going to give it to us here. We just went back into an FEG here on the 5. And you have a breaker area here. So you get support and resistance here from the lows being swept into breaking the high. So you have a change state of delivery higher. It looks like a continuation play for me. But yeah, we have to see whether or not this is going to play out, of course. Let's hope the odds are in our favor today, guys. Let's hope the odds are in our favor. We have a top wick being formed here for the Volks. So yeah, if this starts flipping, that would be ideal here. Let's see. Let's see, how much would this be risk-wise? Yeah, we would risk 5. Yeah, let's see where they close. Let's see where they close, guys. Then we would look for a small play to the upside here. Practicing here, TJ model. That's not my model, bro. It's been there for a long time. I just made it my own to a degree, you know. All the information has been there. There's legends in the game, bro. There's legends in the game. No closure above. No closure above, guys. So I can't execute on this position here. Let's see what happens. We just rated the current 6-hour high. Might want to come lower here. Two. 62 people watching. Hope you guys are doing alright. If you enjoyed the live stream, so make sure to smash up the likes. At 100 likes today, we're gonna do a giveaway. I don't know yet what account we're gonna give away. Maybe 100k CFD. Maybe we're gonna give a 100k CFD away. It's a good account, guys. If you want to win it, smash up the like. Smash up the like. We had someone yesterday, I don't know if Punchy's here right now, but Punchy didn't feel like the giveaway was fair. And who ended up winning the giveaway? Punchy. Actually, Punchy actually won yesterday, which was like, I was flabbergasted the fact that he won. But he won. He did win, eventually. Alright, let's see. We got 17 votes. Everyone is preferring longs. Alright, let's see what happens today, guys. Let's see what happens today. Yeah, I was like, there's no way. What are the odds, bro? Like, what are the odds? Punchy is like completely pessimistic on the giveaway part. He's like, I don't like it, blah 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 blah, and he wins. Awesome. I fucking love it. I think it's amazing. It's amazing, guys. I think it's awesome. Actually, it just shows that you should have faith. Good faith, guys. We're dealing in good faith here. All right, let's see. Yeah, we got 3 more minutes for this 5-minute closure. Closure above for me would indicate a long potential here. I think the 15 is looking good as well here for the long continuation play. Just need a little bit of a good need a little bit of a good closure here. And then I'm willing to take the risk here. Risk it for the biscuit. Probably back to the current day high. If they really want to go, that's the main question, right? Do they want to go from here? If you look on the daily time frame, it does look like this could be the low of the day for the break towards the current week high, basically, and the previous week high. That wouldn't be crazy. But yeah, nothing is definite, guys, right? Nothing is definite. Let's see, we do have a 3-minute closure coming in here. I think I'm gonna take it here. It's 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Alright, I'm executing here for the long position, guys. And let's see what happens. I executed on the 3-minute time frame instead of the 5. So I'm a bit earlier than normal, but we'll see what happens here. I think it has some potential for the long continuation play here. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Where is our execution? It's at 8:25. Let's see what happens here, guys. Stop loss is in place. Let's see if they want to break out. We need to break through the London Open and the 2 o'clock Open here for the most ideal situation for a nice breakout. Let's see if they want to break out for us. We're flipping again bearish on the VIX, which is ideal. If this wants to continue lower, that would be nice. A break through these lows would be the first thing that we're looking for here. We'll see whether or not this wants to happen. The TP for me is at 29,024.50. But this might be the first TP. You could also say that if they really want to go, they're gonna go back to 30,000s again. So that would be a 7-hour trade, but we'll see whether or not this is the case here. We'll see whether or not this is the case. We also have news later on today, so let's hope it wants to do something for us here. Let's hope it wants to do it. I'm excited for today, guys. I'm excited. Hope you guys are doing good, though. Live has been good here, guys. Bowser, good morning. Hope you're doing good, my friend. Welcome back to the live streams. Yeah, closure above the 5, so I would have been above 6, so I would have been entered now as well. So now made a major difference here. I forgot to take a trade also in the funded. If you're a bit scared to execute it, or did you actually forget it? It's not a problem though. Like it's you know, take your time with it, bro. Good morning, Bowser. Hope you're doing good, bro. How's live, Bowser? I actually forgot. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if they want to push it higher first, guys. Could also be that this is a sweep of liquidity from the previous hour high for the flip. That would be crazy if that's the case. We'll see whether or not this is the case here. Yo, Maximus, hope you're doing good, bro. Are we going to have the breakout here? The VIX is selling off to the downside. We're respecting 6 o'clock open now, so that's nice. Let's see if they want to go, or let's see if they want to go higher for us, guys. Give us like a good displacement here. Let's see. So where we got some level of resistance here, also facing us here. So that's a bit of a tough spot to be in. 2 o'clock is the current 8 o'clock open. We do need to flip that. It's like of major importance for us that this flips. All right, we got some movement. All right, let's see if they want to break through 2 o'clock. It's major for us. We don't want to see them use 2 to go lower. That wouldn't be ideal here. Break the 8 o'clock candle, baby. Come on. Hey Tommy, hope you're all good. Yeah, I'm doing fine, bro. How about yourself? Any day above ground is a good day, my friend. You know it. Have you ever traded the US30? I can move better than the NES when the NES don't move. Vice versa. Yeah, US30 is like, I don't have a, with gold I have a love-hate relationship. And with the US30 I just fucking hate it. Sorry for my words, but I have a really bad relationship with US30. So, like you said, when it moves, it moves. The problem is that I mostly take the wrong side of it, you know? I need to see this push through here, guys. If they're gonna respect it, it's not gonna be ideal for us. Yeah, they're not doing it. I'm gonna shorten in my stop loss. If I take 60 bucks, that's not a problem. I have my stop below 6 o'clock open. If they break through it here, it's finito. Because they're respecting 8. I need them to break through. Alright, we're still respecting the opening gap here from 6 o'clock. So as long as this happens and we stay above it, that's alright. Let's see, is there let me see, yeah. Right here. So we need to stay above this level. Doesn't seem like it's happening. Could come down to the 15-minute FEG. Yeah, there's indeed a 15-minute FEG below us. I drawed it out, but yeah, I was like, maybe if they want to go from here, they're gonna go. But yeah, they're respecting 2 o'clock here, so it might not be the case here, guys. We'll see. Got 20 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Doesn't seem like that they want to do it though. Nope. All right. Let's see. So we chilled our stop, adjusted it accordingly. Is it an A+ setup? Which one? The one that we just took? Well, it's a good setup. We just had to break through 2 o'clock and it didn't, so we adjust ourselves to it, you know? I mean, we would have probably been taken out now by now if we didn't do that, so I think we made the right choice here. Let's see what happens though. This is the current 6-hour low. Let's see if they want to break through it. 8 o'clock did not get broken, so they did not break 8 o'clock. What's the bias? I'm overall long biased, but it could definitely go lower first. It might want to go back to the current day low. We have Asia low still resting below us. We just tapped into 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock equals your 8 o'clock open, so they couldn't break it. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Might be an indication that the shorts are first at play here. We'll see. For gold, yeah, for gold I'm a little bit mixed here. When it comes to gold, it purely depends on the DXY. The DXY is currently selling off. If the DXY wants to continue selling off, I would be long in gold. So I have an alert set here for gold. We just went below. Yeah, maybe the long is already present actually for gold. I just don't really like the structure, man. It's like there's no liquidity in gold at the moment. As you can see here with all the gaps and stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna remove this for a sec. Alright, let's see what happens. So they would not have taken us out and they're moving it higher again. Interesting. Let's see what happens here, guys. Got a new half an hour coming in here in 3 minutes. Am I willing to long gold from here is the main question. If the DXY wants to start sinking still, then there might be a good long setup here for gold. I bought that low with a 2-point stop. Nice, Bowser. Well played, bro. Bowser's a legend, guys. Bowser is a legend. Yeah, so we respected a 5-minute fair value gap. You could say that this is the low of 6. Of the 6 o'clock open. On the futures is this, right? For the continuation play here. Let's see what happens. Got a new half an hour coming in here. Does gold want to keep rising? Is my main concern. Oh, what? Like the only point is where could I put my stop when I enter already here? Let me see. Yeah, I could just enter with my stop below the current hour low. Back up. Let's see. Alright, I'm entering a long on gold here, guys. With my stop below the current hourly low. So I'm in a long here on gold. I'm in a long on my phone. As you can see. So we just longed here. And let's see what happens. I long gold, let's see. If the dollar wants to continue selling off, then this could be a potential setup for us. My stop is below the current hourly low. And I'm simply just targeting back to the upside here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Good luck. You mean for the long here? Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. So yeah, we're in this setup. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And let's see what happens here for MNQ, guys. We just opened a new half-an-hour candle. Is this going to be the breakthrough? Let's have a look here, guys. Yeah, NQ looks like it wants to do it here, but still giving me mixed signals. So I'm gonna wait for a bit here for NQ. For gold, we're gonna see what happens here, whether or not it wants to push through. I'm gonna put an alert down a little bit to the upside here, so we could protect ourselves along the way here. We'll see what happens. Let me actually put the text down. Ooh, it's a bit too much text. All right, there you go. There you go. I put it like this. Boom. Current setups, gold long. There you go. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to go here, guys. Yeah, so we retested. We did not break through here. I think we have to wait a little bit here for MNQ. We're also rising again here for the VIX. Just gonna wait for some lower prices to look for the play here. I think it's more favorable. Instead of trying to catch it here, we're in the middle of the range at the moment. I think that's gonna be better here, guys. Gold's still doing gold things here. Let's see if they want to go from here or they want to go lower before they go up. Really depends also on the DXY. DXY is selling off pretty nicely here. Also, oil is selling off pretty nicely. So if this wants to continue selling off, I wouldn't mind my my longs here. We'll have to see whether or not this is the play though. I just adjusted the alert for some reason. About like that. Let's see. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome back to the live stream. We've got 70 people tuned in. If you guys want a giveaway today, make sure to smash up the likes so we can do a giveaway today. And we can do a giveaway of a 100k CFD account if you guys want. 2 winners. If you guys are open for that, let me know in the chat if you guys are okay with that. If you guys want that or not. Press a 1 in the chat. Alright, let's have a look here though. Long on Goldie. Yeah, I'm also long here. Let's hope it wants to play out. I'm also long here on gold. Let's see though. Let's see what happens. And Q is not really doing anything here, guys. Not at the moment, at least. And to be honest, if I look at this on the 5, I wouldn't want to trade this. Like I saw something here in the beginning, right? That the breakout on the 5 would have been nice if they broke through, but right now I don't want to be involved in this nonsense right here. So I'm not gonna trade this. I'm gonna just wait and see. Might just continue accumulating here until the news. Put an alert down in case they break out, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. And let's see if gold wants to just continue rising. That would be ideal. You never know, do you? Hey, welcome. Kelvy, welcome joining in the Discord. Feel free to join the Discord here, guys. Feel free to join the Discord here. We got our own little trading society Discord. A lot of amazing traders in here. I'll send you guys a link right now if you want to join. Free access, of course, like you don't have to pay anything. Gold is about to go down for its retracement at least. Yeah, let's hope not. You might be right, but let's hope not. I'm in the long here. You might be right. We'll see what happens. If the DXY wants to continue selling off, I'm overall still good with my long setup here, but we need to see what DXY does. And oil is still selling, so yeah. We'll see what happens here. I took the long also on my new funded. Nice. MMQ is looking horrible, guys. Like genuinely, look at this stuff. There's like gaps in between candles. There's no liquidity, guys. It's flat. It's flat, guys. Sanda, I hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, let's see what happens. It's like there's nothing here at the moment. We're rising on the VIX. Slowly but steadily. It's one of those days, guys. It's one of those days. All right, we're breaking out here on gold. NQ shorts looking better than the GC longs. Yeah, let's hope this plays out. Our GC longs here. Everyone is against my bias today on gold. I've noticed. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Let's see what happens here for the Nasdaq. Yeah, I just don't see a way to get involved here, guys. Unless you want to like, let's say you want to look for shorts, you have to like enter like this, put your stop above this high, and then look for the short setup back towards Asia lows, for example. Yeah, but then I'd rather wait for like 7 o'clock. Let's say they provide us the short potential. Then I wait for 7, and then I take the continuation play back to Asia lows. Or vice versa, if they break above, then I wait for 7, and I take the long, I guess. Something like that would be the ideal situation for me. Alright, we're breaking out here for gold. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, we do have a little bit of a breakout here. It's not significant whatsoever yet, guys. It's not significant whatsoever as of yet. I have an alert set here because of the 15-minute FEG. Need to see what happens once we tap into it. I hope it just instantly breaks through here, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, on Q I don't see anything, Zakira. Zakaria. I don't see anything personally on NQ. I saw something in the beginning, but I instantly saw it didn't work out because we respected 2, so I went to throw my stop. And yeah, now we're down $60. It is what it is. Think it was a good decision though, because this shit's horrible. Imagine being stuck in this shit, bro. It's tough. It's not nice. It's no bueno. It's no bueno. Just Zach, bro. Don't bake your tongue. Okay. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate that. Alright, let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can break out, guys. I will be putting myself at risk-free the moment we break out here to the upside, back into that gap. So just so you know that. I might get taken on break-even, but yeah. Just have to, we have no choice. Because this might as well be the top wick that's being created for 6. Even though I like it because we're selling off pretty nicely here for the DXY. And for oil still. So it's looking, overall it's looking alright. Let's see once a break though. I think Thomas, No, I'm not afraid. This is actually pretty nicely here. This is a pretty nice tactic you got here. So you have SpaceX with the mask in the background. This is actually pretty neat. This is a pretty neat setup here. I understand what you're doing here. Looks really nice. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm calling someone. 1 sec. All right, we're back. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens here. Both NQ and GC is gonna drop. Yeah, let's see, Chris. Let's see what happens here, bro. No one knows, right? No one knows. Nice, we got Daniel in the longs here. Daniel's long NQ right now. Well played, bro. You're still in it. Still in it to win it. I like that. In it to win it. I'm here for AI Tommy. Yeah, we'll have it in case it hits our target. You know what we do here. All right, so we're rising here on gold. Let's see if we can break out. Like I said, I'll be putting myself to break even to secure myself here. So I'm currently at break even, guys. I'm at break even. Let's see if this wants to break out. Let's see if we want to break out here or not. Would be nice. Got 2 minutes until the closure for the 15. A breakout would be pleasing if this occurs. Let's see, guys. NQ is still not doing anything, so yeah, still flat. As you can see, NQ is here on the right hand side. TP for gold. For right now, I do not have a TP. I don't have a TP for now. If like we really want to sink lower here for the DXY and continue, then I take some partials eventually for gold, and then I just leave it running, you know. Also for oil, if oil wants to continue sinking here, then you know, I'll leave it running. We'll have to see though. It could also be that this is the top wick creation for 6, and we're gonna sell it off here from the FEG, so it could also be break even. You never know. Take your money whenever you feel like taking your money, guys. Don't rely on me for that. Don't rely on me for that. Let's see. Do you have stats how your sessions go and queue prior to Red Folder News? I should look actually. I have like a folder where I've analyzed everything. So I printed all that stuff out. I need to check. I have it. I do have it, yeah. But most of the times it's shit, bro. You know, like most of the times it's shit. It's not good. Genuinely speaking, right? Anything before red folder news is mostly bad. The best thing you can do is trade after red folder news. Or not trade at all, right? Let's see if they're gonna respect this 15-minute FEG here to go lower. Could be the top wick for 6 here, guys. If that happens, then yeah, it's gonna sink lower, of course. Gold small pullback. Yeah, I can see that, guys. I can see it. Got it on my chart right in front of you. Let's see whether or not it's gonna pull through here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Nasdaq is still playing around the same levels, not really doing anything. It's just chilling. Just chilling. How are we feeling this morning / afternoon? I'm feeling alright, bro. How about yourself? Any day above ground is a good day, bro. As long as you're breathing, you're having a good day. Alright, we're getting a pullback here. Let's see if this is going to be the bottom wick for the 15. And yeah, that would be nice if that's the case. Let's see how much this would be. Have an equivalent of the move here. Let's see if this is going to be the top wick. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Gonna put an alert down at 450 here. If they pass through 450, I might take some partials, but it depends on how they do it. NQ chilling like the Discord members. Yeah, for sure, bro. It's just chilling. It looks like it wants to break out here, though. We would have still been in if we held on to our position here. But yeah, it looks like torture, though. It looks like torture. Torture. It's not looking all too bright at the moment. Now we got 10 more minutes until the new hour. Hourly is looking bullish at the moment, guys. It's looking bullish at the moment. We'll see. We'll see how this closes. Nice, Muggsy. Well played, bro. Let's hope this plays out for you. Muggsy taking the longs here on the Nas crack. Really nice, bro. Looking fire. Alright, we're breaking out here for MNQ. Back above 2 o'clock again. This could be the breakout. This could be the breakout. We're still buying up, though, on the VIX, which I find interesting. Am I willing to take it another shot here? I don't think I will. I'll just leave it at gold here for now. Could be is gonna be the rising power here for the MNQ. We're back at 2 o'clock again. For anyone that's still trading the longs here, we need to break through 2 to flip 8 o'clock. That would be the ideal situation here. It's been playing around it for a little bit here. Alright, we're rising on gold, so that's looking good for now. That's looking good for now. Alright, we're coming back towards 450. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna take a partial here, guys, on gold. Gonna take a partial here on gold. We just tap 450. Alright. Took a partial. So that's nice. Took off 60% here. That's good. That's really nice. And let's see how far the rest can run here, guys. If this wants to really go, then we have a pretty nice setup here for the gold longs. Manage your risk here, guys, on however you want to take this position. I took some money off here. Yeah, looking overall really good here, as you can see. So money is out of the trade now. We still have some left running. Well played. Let me play the song here for you guys. You guys remember what I have to do. So let's do it.
All right, chat. We just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this. To the moon. Keep dancing, chat. We're crushing it.
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go to the moon. Now, let's see if this wants to continue. Yes, sir. Well played, everyone. Well played. Really nice. My 2-year-old was dancing with you. That's awesome. Give him or her a fist bump from me. All right, let's see how far we can go here, guys. So my target currently at this moment is located around the daily open here. Yeah, it's precisely at the daily open. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we want to continue here. We got a new hour coming in here in 8 minutes. We can potentially look for the long stand as well here on the nest crack. She's sending you kisses. Appreciate that. Thank you. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here, guys. We're still playing around 2 o'clock. Can we actually break through it? We retested 6 o'clock again, so for the guys that are in the longs, if they now break to 2, you should be good here. Roma, good morning. Good morning. All right, really nice here. Gold is actually going pretty good here. Nasdaq also breaking out here. Yeah, for the guys that are in the longs on the Nas, if this actually starts breaking down on the VIX, you're in a really favorable position here. I'm seeing a short setup on NQ on the 30-minute. Yeah, it's for me. It just depends on the closure here, bro. Like I'm preferring longs overall personally. I had a long and I got taken out after trailing my stop. But I don't know. I'm still preferring the longs here. Mostly has to do with the delivery of the VIX also, you know, and of the dollar. The dollar's also sinking like a rocket, or it's buying itself up now actually. But we're still holding up on gold, which is interesting. Let's see what happens though. Let's see if this wants to sink. We just swept all the liquidity. Is this gonna be the bottom wick for the day, or we're gonna annihilate it further down? Is the big question that I have. Yeah, of course, like let's say for example, Roma, we break below 6 and we close below it, then it completely shifts the narrative for me here as well, right? So, but currently on the current narrative for me, it's bullish. I think Daniel's whispering to sell now. Is he? I don't know what you mean, bro. I don't know what you mean. Bro's doing me bad, bro. You made like the worst possible screenshot, bro. Like, what do you mean? Look at this face, bro. Bro, what do you mean? Look at this. How? Bro. Like, you have the entire video and you decide to like make a screenshot right here, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. You mean that he took his partial here? Yeah, I see what he's saying. I see what you mean. Because he took his money, you mean? Yeah, that could be the case, bro. I'm holding on to my longs here. I took partials and I'm alright with it flipping from here if it wants to. It's not a problem for me, amigo. Not a problem for me. Make your own decisions here, guys. Alright? Make your own decisions. Let's see what happens, though. We're still playing around 2 o'clock. We got 3 minutes until the new hour open. Let's see how this closes here on the hourly time frame. The more bullish it closes, the better, of course. Right? The more bullish it closes, the better. As if you look at the current hourly, like, we would have to respect the top half of the 50% here for the best ideal scenario, because the lower they get, we wouldn't survive if that happens. So let's hope that happens. They want to respect it here. Otherwise, we get taken out and break even for the remaining of our position. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Do we want to break out further is the question. I just learned how to make partials. Nice. Well played, bro. Really nice. You got this. We got 78 people watching. Make sure to smash up the likes, guys. If you smash up the likes, more people will be recommended the YouTube live stream here, and then we can also get the 100 likes for the 100k account giveaway today. So let's keep on smashing the likes. All right, got 2 more minutes here, guys. 2 more minutes. Let's see, guys. Estonian day trader. Alright, what are you guys into right now? Are you guys in longs? Are you guys in shorts? Let me know in the chat. What are you guys doing? And let me know why. Let me know why. Let's see if this wants to continue here, guys. 45 seconds until the new hour. 7 o'clock is gonna open up here any second. Do we have a potential setup forming here? Bro, the volume is so low. It's like, it's disgusting. I'm in long, but I don't know why. Nice, Vince. That's really nice. That's the way to trade, bro. It's the way to do it, amigo. Alright, 14 seconds. Let's see. This is the new hourly open. Overall good closure for me. I like the move here for the movement here for the Nasdaq. Let's see what happens here, guys. Oh, it's so ugly, the price action, though. The price action is really ugly. It looks like it's gonna break out here, guys. I hope for you guys it's gonna work out. Is that your first trade? No, it's my second. I had 1 trilled stop loss here on MNQ. On MNQ here. But this one is playing out pretty nicely for now. But MNQ is it's just awful. It's really ugly at the moment. It's just really ugly. Yeah, you could say that this is going to be the breakout now, but yeah. I don't know. I think so. I would target it back towards the current Asia highs, or the current high, basically, the current day high. That would be my target for the Nasdaq, but oh man. This is like awful price action. Even though it's delivering at the moment though, right? So that's a good thing. Alright, gold's selling off again. Let's see if we can survive the bottom wick here, guys. If not, then yeah, we're gonna get taken out for the rest of our position here. Let me put this on here, so I have an understanding of where we are. Let's see if we can survive. We have a 20-minute FEG below. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Still closing below 2 o'clock here. Not ideal. So what did 7 o'clock do? It rates liquidity, goes back into almost taking London, the current LDO high from 3 o'clock. Doesn't do it, turns back around again. Yeah, this is awful PA, guys, right? This is awful PA for NQ. It's not worth trading for, in my opinion. Let's see what happens here, though. Can we survive on the pullback for the hourly here? It's been like that all morning. Huge swings. Yeah, it's tough. It's really tough. This is just like yeah, it's not my type of price action. This right here, it's not my type of price action, guys. For some people this might be good, but for me it's horrible. 57 people liked the stream. You guys are awesome. Be like each other. Like the stream. Would be highly appreciated. Good evening, my friend. Hope you're doing good. Welcome back. Glad to see you here. Let's see what happens though, guys. Like we're selling off pretty neatly here now for gold. DXY is pulling up again. Let's see if they want to go down further, or this is going to be the bottom wick placed on this level of resistance or support, you could say, right? Or they're gonna break through further. On the daily, I'm like, I think this is a liquidity sweep to the move down, but it could also be the complete opposite here, right? It could also be that that's not the case, basically. But we'll see what happens. Kashif, welcome. Thank you for subscribing, my guy. I really appreciate it. Deep charts. I already like the stream. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate that. I'm assuming you're using deep charts. That's why your name is Deep Charts. That's awesome. Hope you're doing good. Let's see if we can survive this bottom wick for the hourly, guys. On the gold, that would be awesome. But it really depends on the dollar here. Does the dollar want to continue selling it off lower? We're retesting the current 6-hour open, or you could say the previous hourly open. We're trying to break through it here. We do have some inefficient price action above that they could rebalance if they want to. If you think about action market theory, this inefficiency, right? So they want to rebalance price. But we'll see whether or not this is the case here. Or they want to just continue being inefficient here. That would be ideal for us. And oil is also still selling off, so this is really nice. Good closure on the hourly on oil. If this wants to continue selling off, that would be favorable for gold. But yeah. Let's see if our position is good enough to survive the bottom wick here. That's the main question. Yeah, so yeah, the Nasdaq, guys. So Nasdaq still can't break through the 8 o'clock open here, the 8 o'clock candle. It's not breaking out here, so we're still staying below. Tap back into LDO, so back into the London open here, 3 o'clock. And it's staying below it, guys. Personally, I think there's no sense in the market right now, right? In the Nasdaq at least. Like directionally speaking, it's a balanced market, right? So it's really tough to trade this. We need price to break out and become inefficient, meaning that price wants to seek new levels of price. That's called price discovery, right? So we need to see price actually breaking out and go. Question is it going to be the short angle here, or is it going to be the long angle? That's the main question that I have currently at the moment. Because, to be honest, it could be both ways. But you have liquidity resting on both sides here. For sure, right? You also have an opening gap. So if you look at it from this angle, you have the closure and an open here. But this is on the 6-hour perspective. Let's see. Yeah, so you did have a pretty good opening gap. And we never came back into it. And we never actually traded. We never gave a lot of price action below the open of the day. We'll see. I think it makes perfect sense. Swap previous 4-hour candle and now retraced into the 15-minute optimal entry zone. But we need some displacement out of it before we enter shorts. What are you talking about? Chris, what are you talking about, bro? Wait, we're gonna break out now. Yeah, let's cross our fingers and hope so. Let's hope it's gonna break out here. I won't be trading it though. Let's see, we're about to break through the open of the hourly again here on gold. If that occurs, that would be highly beneficial for us. That means that we could potentially survive the bottom wick here, if they want to break out. If they respect it now here and they set it off again, that is a little bit less favorable, okay? That would be a little bit less favorable. We'll see what happens here. Still alive, still alive. Chris, can't you like send a chart or something like that in Discord so I know what you're referring to, bro? DXY is selling. Yeah, it's selling for sure. This is real nice, bro. Let's see if they want to make more inefficient price action below. It's looking nice. It's looking good, bro. Same for oil. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can, if this can break through here, back to the upside. Alright, let's see. I think you're referring about gold now I look at it. Is that what you're saying here, Chris? You're looking for shorts on gold? And this would be your optimal entry zone. In the golden pocket here. That's what you're referring to, right? You might be right, bro. You have some liquidity resting below for sure. You might be 100% right, bro. I think we're going lower first on MNQ. Yeah, you might. Yeah, that might be the case. Yeah, you have the 7 o'clock. So if you look at it from this angle, right? So 7 o'clock just swept previous hourly high. Previous hourly high, and then selling below 6 o'clock again. So it might be the sell. It might be the sell, but it's just like it's awful price action, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at this stuff. So yeah, I don't know personally if I want to take anything here, but yeah, not that gold is any better though. Gold is not looking all too bright at the moment, but yeah. Hey, it's moving. That's what it's all about here, guys, right? Still chop. Yeah, exactly. We're chopping around here. Chopping around. Chop. Gold on the 1 hour looks bearish. After the Asia sweep, but it's not in the zone yet for the continuation shorts. Yeah. When can we enter the giveaway? Not yet. We'll enter it shortly. I'll let you know. We need 100 likes first, guys. Need 100 likes first. Smash up the like button. Alright, we're selling below 6 o'clock again. Let's see what happens from here, guys. I'm gonna sell 4551 1 to 3R. Nice. And your stop is already a break even, or where do you place your stop here? Go short. You mean on the MNQ here? If you want to short it, go ahead. For sure. I'm personally not going to trade it. The setup is indeed looking way better now, Roma. I see what you're talking about, bro. It's looking way better now. Closure below 6 could definitely be the first sign for a continuation to the downside here. On the 15. On the 15 is looking pretty neat, actually. For a continuation play. Like this, with the stop above the current 6-hour high. Back towards the daily open. I'm personally not going to take this, though. I'm personally not going to take this. Alright, breaking out here on gold, guys. Let's see if they want to continue breaking out. DXY selling off drastically here, so that's looking favorable for us. Nice closure on the 15. The link for the giveaway will be sent out shortly here, guys. Smash up the likes, and then the giveaway will follow eventually. Just stick around and find out. Stick around and find out. Alright, let's see what happens here. I'm not taking this position here on NQ, guys, just so you know. Even though it looks like the 15, it looks like a perfect short setup. I just don't think it's worth it. I'm trading with IQ Capital, bro. Trading with IQ Capital. We'll be giving away a 100k account to 2 winners today. On the CFD side. Let's see, we're breaking out here, guys, on gold. Let's see if they want to continue. That would be nice. Let's see if they want to continue. As long as the dollar wants to continue selling off, it should be good here. Let's hope this is not going to break back above 7, because then that would change the sentiment here. The DXY is in a 1 hour for value gap to buy. Yeah, but it's been here before, bro. Okay, you see? So it's been here already for a longer period of time. And I'm overall looking at the higher time frame structure here. So we swept liquidity above these highs on the day, and we sold it off lower. You have a bearish opening gap. So for me, there's multiple signs on why this wants to continue, but nothing is guaranteed here, guys. Right? Don't forget that nothing is guaranteed. I'm not a wizard. I wish I was, but I'm not. So I can't know whether or not price is gonna continue. That's why manage your risk correctly here. Take the money out whenever your system tells you to. Yeah, if I wanted to take the short here, I would have taken it from 6 o'clock open. So I wouldn't be in anyways if I was taking this position. I'm not though, but it would have been my entry would be at 6-7 here. 6-7. So this would have been my entry, but I'm not in. I'm not in here, guys. Let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna remove some of the drawings here. Looks like it's continuing to the downside. And let's see what gold does though. Let's see if gold wants to actually go higher and continue. That's my main concern at the moment. Oil is yeah, it's still looking like it wants to sell off. It's just holding up pretty nicely here. One tiny mosquito is eating me alive. That's tough, bro. Burn it. Burn it, bro. I remember that, guys, this is a story that you have to sit up for this one. So I was still living in my old place, right? And I have high ceilings here, but I have really high ceilings in my old place. And listen, I'm just working. I'm locked in behind my PC. And I have my light on, and I see a shadow. I see like a shadow, like a big ass fucking shadow on my wall, right? Sorry for my language. And I hear like, bzzz, you know, and I'm like, I already like, I'm getting, bro, I get like fucking, how do you call that shit? Whatever, chicken, whatever, skin or whatever the fuck you call it. I forgot how you call it. I get it already again, right? And I have a video. I might be able to find it. And I look up, like this. I look up, and there's a hornet, bro. And I'm talking about a big ass fucking hornet, my guy. A goosebumps, yeah. A big ass hornet, yeah. Like genuinely the size of my fucking thumb, bro. Like the big motherfucker, right? And I'm like sitting there. I'm like, no, you know, like guys, we live in the Netherlands. Hornets are not like, you know, like common here. I don't really like it. I know some of you guys are from Australia. You have like spiders that are this big, but I'm not really a hornet type of guy. I don't really like those things. And I think to myself, how do I get this fucker down? Because this guy is flying like 3 meters in the air. You see what I'm saying? Like he's high up. It's a high ceiling. It's like, and I think to myself, I'm fucked. I'm screwed. I can't go to bed now. It's already late, right? It's already late. I'm like, oh, I'm fucked. And I take the ladder. So I take the ladder. I put it down. I'm like, okay, this guy is attracted to the light. What can I do? So I keep the light on. He's just chilling on it, you know, walking around it, whatever. I'm like, I'm gonna get hairspray. I'm gonna get hairspray, and I'm just gonna kill the son of a bitch. Like, Otherwise I can't, bro. Otherwise I can't sleep, bro. Hornets are like, you don't want to fuck around with them. If they sting you, you have a hard time. You see what I'm saying? So I walk into my mom's room. I'm like, yo, I need your hairspray. Like, okay, you know, like the fuck. I take the hairspray and I walk back up, bro. I almost felt like I was in the army, like stripes below my eyes. I'm like climbing the ladder, and I start spraying the bitch, right? I start spraying like, hey, this guy is like, he's like flying in front of me. I almost fall down the fucking thing, yeah, the fucking whatever stairs. I almost fall down, break my fucking hip. You know, I manifute like to the downside, and I see this guy, and he slowly starts to lose air, and he's slowly falling to the downside. Right, and he's just like, he gave up or something, like his, you know, his wings didn't do it anymore. And I'm like, okay, what can I do now? So I take the hairspray. I'm like I didn't stop, and the guy, he lost the battle. I won. You see what I'm saying? I won. So just a warning: don't come flying into my room, yeah, because you're gonna feel it. But that guy was like, bro, it was like Tom size. Like, genuinely, this guy was like insanely big. And I won the battle. That's what it's all about. I won the battle, guys. I just needed to make that story here. Because I don't know why. I don't even know why I came up with it. But that actually, you know, I'm going to search for the picture now. Because I had a picture of him in my trash bag. And this guy was insane. Like, insanely big, bro. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it. Whew. I just get goosebumps thinking about it. It's like that guy was like insanely big, bro. It's like bad how big that guy was. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it. Alright, we're selling off again on gold. Let's see if we can survive. Bro, exactly. Like this, bro. This is like genuinely, bro. Hell nah, bro. No, this is crazy. I don't like this. Fuck that. No, bro, no. Wait, let me see. The feeling I'm leaving this planet, bro. Fuck, man. Like, genuinely. Wait, that's a spider in your mate's room? Shut up. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. You could light the hairspray on fire and burn it. Yeah, but then I would also burn my lamp down, bro. That's not worth it. That's not worth it, bro. Then my lamp would be burned down. You see what I mean? Need to keep my lamp, bro. Yeah, it's just... Oh, man. I get goosebumps, like, talking about it. It's actually crazy. Alright, let's see. Alright, but yeah, we're selling through pretty nicely here for MNQ. For the guys that shorted MNQ, well played. Well played for the shorts here on MNQ, guys. Do I see a way to enter this short play here is the question. Not sure. Yeah, there's enough ways to enter the market. Whether it's a favorable entry is a second thing, right? I can enter the market now if I want to. It's not going to be favorable, so we have to see. Let's say if they come, if they pull back and it looks good in some form of the candle creation, I might take it on gold, on the Nasdaq here. But for now, we're just gonna stick to our gold position. Nasdaq is DXY. What do I have with the Nasdaq the entire time? The DXY is selling off here. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see if we can continue to the downside here for the net. I do it again for the dollar. Let's see if this wants to continue selling off. The Nasdaq is also selling off. Roma, well played. Hope you took this entry, bro. Hope you took this entry, amigo. Let's do the giveaway. The giveaway will be done shortly, Sanda. Sure, they will be done shortly. Let's see, we're selling below 7 o'clock again. Yeah, we'll see what happens here, Frank. We'll see what happened here, bro. Good day, fine sirs. Jason, hope you're doing good, bro. Glad to see you here, my friend. Let's see, we got a new 30-minute candle in 3 minutes from now. Let's see what happens. We're breaking below 7 o'clock here, guys. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens here. If they stay below, this might be our sign to go for the short play here. We'll see whether or not this wants to continue selling off here, or if this is actually the low already for the day. Back to the open of the day would be my overall idea here. Is that your first trade of the day? No, it's my second. It's my second trade of the day. Had a trill stop here on the Nasdaq. What did I miss? Nothing much, basically, to be honest. I took a long setup on the Nas. Trilled my stop the moment they couldn't break 2 o'clock. So got trailed out $60. So what is it, like 1/3 of the original loss would have been. So we made the right choice here. And then I took a long entry on gold, and I took my first partials, and basically covered double the loss here for the Nasdaq. Thomas, hope you're doing good, bro. You have a wonderful name as well, my friend. And now it's selling off again on gold here. We'll see whether or not I can survive this, though. Right now, it doesn't look like it. But you never know. Got the new 30-minute that just opened up here. This might be the delivery switch moment that they want to go the other way. We'll see whether or not this is happening here. Overall, good rejection from the FEG for the guys that were looking for shorts. It looks nice and favorable for you now. Could say that this is the breaker block for the continuation play below to take the liquidity out. Yeah, the trend line building. They broke the trend line. That's for sure. Yeah, let's see. I like the gold longs and the NQ shorts. Yeah, let's see what happens, bro. Let's see what happens. Currently, for me, it's just compressing here. So, I could try to get involved here. But, yeah, you're in the middle. So, it could go both ways, basically. Let's see. We're in this 20-minute fair value gap. It would be crazy if you can survive this. I don't think so personally. I think the bottom wick was set for the hourly here, and they just retook it. So for me, it's small indication that they are gonna potentially sell off here, even though DXY is not rising at the moment. Oil is also not rising. It's destined to sell off further here. Just took that liquidity on the 5. If they break through 7 again and sell off, that would be nice. But yeah, I don't know if we can survive that on gold though. We're buying ourselves up again here for MNQ. What are we going to do, Nasdaq baby? Tell me. We got 100 people watching. If you all smash the like right now, we can do a giveaway. Make sure to smash up the likes. If you, of course, want to do a giveaway. Otherwise, don't bother. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here, guys. Yeah, we got a news in an hour from here. That's right, you're completely right. You're completely right. Let's see. All right, we're still alive. Let's see if they want to break it up again. If this happens, that would be crazy. We're still selling off here for the DXY, and we also start selling lower again here for oil. Who knows? Who knows, guys? You never know. It could buy itself back all the way. It doesn't look like it though. Right now, it looks like it wants to sell off. But yeah, 2 minutes ago it didn't. That's the beauty about trading, guys. Anything can change in an instance here. Let's see. Hey, how are you doing? Chair Explorer, hope you're doing good. I think I'm gonna get taken out on break even here. Let's see. I'm still in. My entry is a little bit lower here. If I survive this, it would be crazy. As you guys can see. That would be crazy. I don't think so though, but we'll see. I don't think so. Survival of the fittest. Are you gonna buy yourself back up again? Let's see. It won't. Thank you for the encouragement here, bro. Are selling through here on the VIX. I mean, it's still surviving here. Still surviving. We're selling through here on the VIX, so this looks like it's gonna be the buy for the Nasdaq at the moment. It's a bit of a dangerous spot. Look at the VIX selling off here, guys. VIX is selling off drastically here right now. Was the DXY is not really moving. Oil's also not really moving, but some crazy movements here for MNQ buying itself back up again. Let's see, we got the new half an hour still. I'm just not gonna trade this. So I'm staying out of NQ for now. Am I still alive here? Yeah, we managed to survive like by 1 point. Look at that stuff. If I survive this, that would be crazy. I don't think so, but we'll see. All right, let me create the. Okay, we're breaking up here for MNQ. I'm not shorting this personally, guys. I'm not shorting this, just so you know. The way and how we break out on the VIX could still go down from here, though. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, I'm not doing it. Let's see what happens here on gold. All right, let me create a link for the giveaway here, guys. You guys ready? We're going to do a 100K CFD account today. 2 winners. Let's see. All right, let me see. Let me set it up here for you guys. Give me 1 sec. Let's see, guys. Give me 1 second here. All right, let's see. How can I do this? Putting it in the middle. Put this one here. Put this one here. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. All right, we're doing a giveaway here for a 100K account. We got an hour on the clock here. An hour on the clock. So you gotta sign up now. The link is in the chat. Sign up through the link, and you're allowed to join the giveaway for free. Look at you guys already coming in here. We got 3 people already tuned in. Already tuned in. You guys are fast. You guys are really fast. If you want to be a part of the giveaway here, guys, make sure to sign up through the link that I just sent out in the chat. And you automatically can put yourself into the giveaway here. I need to give myself some more room here for the chart. All right, let's see. Yeah, the Nasdaq is pushing higher. Nasdaq is pushing higher for the people that been selling. Make sure to manage yourself. The VIX is selling off drastically here. The VIX is selling off drastically. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens. We got the new 20-minute candle coming in here in 2 minutes from now, or 1 minute from now. Is this going to be the valid breakout finally for the longs? Could also be the case here, guys. That you have something like this that's gonna play out back towards the current day high. I begin to like this more. I gotta be honest with you, right? The volume looks good for me here. That I potentially want to take this trade long. At 6.7, we'll see. Gold is still, we're still alive, but yeah, let's see if we can survive this. Let's see if we can survive. That would be one crazy survive if this happens. Join the giveaway for free, guys. We got 15 participants. You have an hour to join in here if you want to be a part of this giveaway. And we're giving away 200K CFD Classic accounts. If you want to be a part of this giveaway, you have to sign up first if you haven't done it already. Tommy, but why do we have to give out our profile in IQ? Can you just give the account? Oh, you're joking. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Appreciate that. Funny guy. You guys are funny. All right. Yeah. Okay. I like this overall. For the Nasdaq here, so I might look for a buy from 6.7, 6.75. Stop loss below the low. And look for the continuation move higher here. Nasdaq is pretty awful today, guys. So make your own calculated decisions here. Don't rely on me here. Today is pretty not nice. Not nice, but I will take this position now because I like it because of the VIX. All right, I got taken out on break even for the rest on gold here. Yeah. All right, so we're taken out here on break even on the rest. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is. No top wick on the 20-minute. It's always the no top wicks, guys. It's always the no top wicks. Yeah, let's see what gold does. Yeah, if we want to continue selling off, then we're gonna sell off, right? Like overall, you had that hourly for value gap, like I mentioned before. Like they actually broke through the hourly for value gap. They didn't respect it. But you had that 3 hour for value gap. They went into it. Overall sentiment on the day, you had the sweep of previous day high. So it looks like it could sell towards the current day or previous day low here, if they want to. Yeah, I mean, this could have been the short play here. This could have been the short play for 7. Back towards the lows. Yeah, I mean, for the guys that took this, well played. This is definitely something was they could take here. I didn't take it. Main reason is because of the DXY and oil, right? So I was looking for the opposing side. But oil is rising again, so yeah. I got tagged in here for my longs on MNQ. Let's see what happens. The break-even point is simply the current hourly high. So at this level, I would go to break-even. If they want to break through here. Can I move it? Thank you. We'll see what happens. Would be a really nasty two-sided V-shaped recovery if they come back and pull the all the way down here. But you never know, guys. You never know. We got already 23 people participating in the giveaway. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, you can join in now. We got 53 minutes before the ending of the giveaway here. So sign up through the link. I'll send it out in the chat here for you guys. If you sign up through the link, you'll automatically be put into the giveaway. And yeah, then from now on, you can, whenever I do a giveaway, you can join in. You can join in. And it will be automatically granted to your dashboard if you win. So it's a really, really nice system here, guys. All right, breaking through here on the NES. Let's see if they want to continue. We retest at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock open. We're breaking through 7, so we're also delivering bullish again on the hourly here. It's a really, really deep bottom wick, though. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here, guys. Do we want to break out for the Nasdaq here? It does look pretty good at the moment. I need a closure above 2, like for real though. Like if it closes below 2 again, that would be crazy. All right, this is a nice closure. All right, we're moving ourselves to break even here, guys. Moving ourselves to break even. I'm expecting this to really break out now. If this doesn't break out, then yeah, they can suck my nuts in the most kind way here. And we'll take off some partials here along the way if they want to break out here. And what would be the partial? Yeah, just above this high. I'll probably take some off here to cover the cost from the previous trade. And then we have one running that could be a banging position if this actually wants to break out. I think that's the most ideal situation here, but we'll see. Three-minute time frame is king, yeah, for sure. All right, nice breakout. All right, we got taken out on the first position here. Well played, guys. So we took 70% off from our position, and we're break even. So we're risk free on the remaining. Let's hope this wants to like really break out here. The VIX is selling off pretty nicely here, so well played. Anyone that took the long here. I didn't take a lot of size here, so yeah, it is what it is. The market is not favorable for me, so we'll see what happens. Well played, everyone. For the guys that took this, if you took some money out, you should make some money here if you took it off. talking about, what is this, like 15 points? Yeah, 15 points. We got 30 people in the giveaway. If you want to tune in for the free giveaway, sign up through the link that I sent out in the chat. And you can become a part of the giveaway here, guys. Nice breakout here for the Nasdaq. Let's see if this wants to continue. The VIX is selling off pretty nicely here. Let's see if that wants to go as well. Let's see what happens here for gold. Gold is giving me a sign of a potential flip scenario again, but I'm not going to take it because we're in the Nasdaq now. So let's see if the Nasdaq wants to go, though. Let's see if the Nasdaq wants to go here, guys. And how far do they want to go for us? That's the main concern that I have. Maybe just targeting Asia highs would be the smart idea in a market like this. We've got 40 minutes left before the news comes out. Time enough, you would say, for it to really displace here. Yeah, for the people that are in this gold sell, you're looking pretty nice here at the moment. Even though the XY is not really moving. Oil is starting to sell off again as well. Interesting. Interesting what happens here, guys. Let me see. Let me see on the lower time frame. Let's see what happens here. No, you should be allowed to trade news. As far as I'm aware, actually. I've traded news and I wasn't, I had no problem, so. Why does this song always come up, bro? You should be allowed to trade news, my friend. You should be allowed to trade news. Yeah, you should be allowed. Yeah, that's what I mean. You should be able to trade news. You're just not allowed to hold over the weekend, which is understandable, and not overnight. And no hedging, which is common, you know. Nice 3 minute in the fair value gap here. It's a really nice displacement if this continues. Make sure to join the free giveaway, guys. We got 37 participants. I'll send out a link again. You can sign up for free. You can sign up for free. And then, yeah, join in the free giveaway, guys. Join in the free giveaway. What's good? What's good, Panda? Hope you're doing good. Panda. Nice. Hope you're doing all right. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing, Cornel, Langhoven. Hopelijk gaat alles goed. Raymond, hello everybody. East London in the chat. What's happening, bro? What's good? Hope you're doing good, my friend. Raymond, if you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure to sign up, my friend. Is this a new firm? No, the firm is already been out there for a while. They are really big in Europe. All right, we're selling it off drastically here after taking our first partial. It's it doesn't want to go yet, guys. It doesn't want to go yet. Nasdaq is Nasdaqing at the moment. Let's see if we're surviving here though for the remaining. Nope. All right, got taken out of the remaining of our position now. They did sweep London high. Yeah, let's see what happens. They might just want to set it off again. What a market, guys. What a market. You gotta love it. I missed out being in the hospital, removed an appendix. What is an appendix? I have no idea what it is, bro. Sorry. But glad you're out again. I hope everything is alright with you. You can tune in now for the giveaway if you want to, Raymond. You have an option to join here, my friend. Nasdaq baby, you look ugly today. Hi, Thomas. Kaoli, hope you're doing good. Koali. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in. And Q as being pure garbage. Well, at the moment it's not nice. No, especially no. It's not real good at the moment. Yeah, but some people, they manage to do really well in the scalping market like this. You know, you catch a couple points down, a couple points up. Yeah, this is not my forte. I like to risk less and go for the bigger moves. So it's not looking all too nice right now. Oh, we got 42 people already tuned in for the giveaway. 43. Make sure to join in for the free giveaway here, guys. I'll send out the link once again. Here. It's a free giveaway for 200k CFD, so Forex side prop firm accounts. You can also trade crypto with them. And make sure if you win, may the odds be in your favor, but if you win, that you read the rules. Good to see you have a sponsor now. Yeah, well, we have a partnership. It's actually, I'm really glad that they reached out to me. They are also working together with Fabio Valentini and Andrea Simi, guys. You know how awesome that is? It's fucking amazing. That's what I'm saying. Like, I love it. And I actually spoke to the founder as well. The founder is one of the world champions in the World Robbins Cup for traders. So this firm is like completely built by traders, guys, which I truly appreciate. And good traders as well. So yeah, it's just like the principles is what I stand by, and that's why I really like it. Then again, for some people, this firm might not be the right firm. If they want to gamble and be a degen, then IQ might not be your firm. Because at IQ, they really have strong risk parameters, but I never cross them because I don't trade at 5 minis. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have any issues with that. But yeah, some might have issues. It was late. Hello, Tommy. You done trading? No, we're still trading. But nothing is really happening at the moment. Can you share the link of the prop to read the rules? Yeah, for sure. If you wanna, you can sign up here if you want to deep charts to the giveaway first of all, if you want to. And let's see. And below is just a link as well. Alright, we're buying ourselves back up again here for M&Q. And let's see what happens here. We got taken out here because I, of course, told my stops to break even. But I'm a bit It's like, is it actually gonna go now is the question, right? It's been playing around a lot here. Oh yeah, and for the guys that are wondering, in case you do not win the giveaway here for the 100k account, you can also try them out for only $9 if you want to, for a 50k account, or $1 for a 10k account. $1, guys, right? So it's really cheap to try them out. It's a welcome offer. In case you want to try them out. Yeah, gold is just selling off further. So yeah, we took 60% off gold, we took 60% off on MQ. So we just break even basically on the future side right now. We're in profit on the CFD. Yeah, like nothing more to say about it, to be honest. Tough markets. If you look back at what we did now during our 2 hours that we're live now, we actually, yeah, we're in a range that is 35 points, right? Basically, around 35. Yeah, 36. So we're in a 36-point range. Oh my God, have mercy. And now that's what happens when you look at the lower time frames, guys. You get sucked into the lower time frames, right? If you look at this on the half an hour, it's not going anywhere. Shit's not like, you know. Glad that we're on the 3-minute, because if I would be on the 1-minute right now looking at this stuff, I would say, oh man, what a move. This is definitely gonna go, and then it's gonna go down again, go up again, go down again. You're gonna lose yourself. You're gonna lose your mind here, guys. It could still break higher though. We'll see. We got 104 people watching. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure to press the link here in the chat that I'm going to send out to you guys right now. You're allowed to join for free, guys. Allowed to join for free. We got 47 people participating. We still got 100 places left if people want to join in. And then it's full. So, yeah, send it to your best friend if you want to give them a potential funded account here. And if you're not greedy about winning here, right? If you're not greedy about winning here. Thomas, wake me up. Beef. You gotta wake up right now. I'll wake you up. I have an idea.
All right, chat. We just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this.
Let's go, baby.
Keep dancing, chat. We're crushing it.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. Wake up time. $9 for 50k account. Yeah, welcome offer here, Panda. So if you feel interested in trying them out, you can buy a 50k account for $9. It's only one offer, yeah. So it lasts until you buy your first account. Goed, dankie. Glad to be here. Glad to have you here as well. Thank you, my friend. I'm up. No problem. Glad it worked. But there's also an activation. Yeah, of course. Yeah. But that's pretty common, right? Activation fees are pretty common, or you pay more in the beginning. Otherwise, activation fee is definitely something common. But they also offer, so what they also do on the CFD side is they offer you a cheaper beginning phase, and if you then pass, you have an activation fee on the CFD side, which is really nice. Because if you think about it, if you buy an FTMO account, for example, they charge you $350 in the beginning, right? And here you can buy one for $50. This is a real big difference. Especially if you're new to trading, you have multiple shots at trying an account out. And it's costing you way less, so you don't have to pay a lot of money instantly. All right, we're selling off pretty nicely here again on MNQ. You can't make this shit up, actually. Like, it's just going up and down. I'm pretty sure that's coming, Pandas. I actually spoke to them about it, so I'm pretty sure that's coming. There's gonna be more options, of course, along the way, my friend. You know, along the way, more options gonna be coming. But you can trade if you use it. You can trade it with deep charts on the web browser as well. So it's really nice. You can use the deep charts platform. And they offer you some more as well, right? They offer you some more options. Roma says, I'm in. Melt, motherfucker. Yeah, I hope it works for you, bro. I hope it works for you. I hope it does, like, genuinely. We got 35 more minutes here, guys. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, you gotta join in now. You got 35 minutes left. Send out the link once again. Yeah, it's selling off pretty nicely here, Rome. I hope for you it's gonna work. Selling off pretty nicely here. Gold is buying itself back up again. Do I see a way to enter gold? Not really. Yeah, of course, I see hundreds of thousands of ways to enter gold, but whether I want to be involved is the big question. Just tap the weekly open. I hope it's gonna continue and break through it. If this buys itself back up again, yeah, I would lose my mind as well. We got the PPI coming in half an hour from now, guys. The PPI is coming in half an hour. I've seen that pattern a million times. It's working out at the moment. It's working out at the moment for you, bro. Just bought my first IQ 50k eval. See if they're good. Nice. Make sure to read the rules, Jason, of course. Make sure to read the rules. Should be good, bro. Should be good. Let's see what happens here. Have to sweep the highs. You could say that this is a breaker block forming here now. So you could see it come back into it and sell off further. I don't know whether or not I want to be involved in this, to be honest. Astrid, how are you doing? Hope you're doing all right. You still here, Astrid? Sorry, I missed your message. I don't think you're here anymore. I don't think you're here anymore. You already left. Oh, you're still here. Nice. How are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Not leaving you. I'm here for the vibes. Awesome. Yeah, but trading-wise going alright. Trading-wise going alright. It's just a tough market today, you know? Yeah, you have to catch the right side of the market and not get... because you could say that shorts were already valid here. They were to a degree. Then they stopped it out. Then you could say the longs were valid. We took a partial of the longs. And now you're saying the shorts are valid again. And now they do seem like genuinely valid, right? But yeah. So it's a tough market today. Very well. And you? Yeah, any day above ground is a good day. That's right. Any day above ground is a good day. We suffer more in our imagination than in reality, right? So sometimes you just have to put on your helmet and live life. Put on your helmet and live life. Sorry, guys. I need to listen to this voice message. Give me 1 sec. 1 sec. All right. Let me see, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm just reading something. All right. Thank you for subscribing. Sorry, I had to read a message here. It's gonna retrace on the news 100%. I need to be cautious with my stop loss. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes a lot of sense, my friend. Yeah, just be cautious in general, right? Like we have the news coming out here in 24 minutes. It's gonna be interesting for sure. It looks like gold wants to come up again here. Which is interesting because we're not really giving that vibe yet on the DXY. Oil selling through though. Yeah, it's such a mix for me at the moment. To one degree, I would say yes, this is gonna be the long again. To another degree, I would say it's shorts. But purely because I'm looking at the counter products, I would say this is a long on gold. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting for sure. If you guys want to join the giveaway, make sure to join it now. Still got time to win here. We got 29 minutes left. So we're gonna launch the giveaway just after the news, guys. There's double excitement here. I'll send over the giveaway link now so you can join here. Send over the giveaway link now so you can join. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, this song is nice, and I want to turn it up a little bit. Alright, yeah, we're buying up again here for gold. It's just 1 micro. And 1 micro is more than nothing, bro. 1 micro is more than nothing. It's the standard plan, bro. You can see it here. This is the classic. So it's the standard plan here. It's not the rapid. I need to put my phone on the charger, guys. Give me like 1 second. My phone is 1% before this dies out here. Give me 1 second.
Connection lost.
Oh, connection lost. Let's hope we can reconnect here. Let's hope we can reconnect.
Connected.
Connected. All right, nice. Let's see what happens here, guys. Yeah, we're just buying up drastically here for gold. I did not see the way for me to enter here. I could have entered the moment we saw this the hourly formation, but I didn't. Easy to say afterwards, of course. That's always the easy way. A retrace could potentially give me the entry here, though. On the new 5. We need to see whether or not I want to take this. Take the risk here, that's the question. Let me see what oil's doing. Oil's selling off drastically here. DXY is starting to sell again as well. Yeah, I might give this a shot here if they come back down again. And we have the similar setup as we did beforehand here. Of course, I don't have my phone here now. So, give me 1 second. Got 4%, more than enough. Let's see. Alright, I got a buy limit placed here. Let's see, it's a little bit lower. Alright, I got tagged into my buy limit here. Let's see if they want to buy it up again here, or they want to break through the lows. It's a little bit more of a dangerous setup. I'm legit risking what I just made here on the gold long, so if I get stopped out, I don't lose anything. Then I would be break even on gold for the day. Same as the Nasdaq. We'll see what happens. We got 20 more minutes before the CPI. Let's hope this wants to break up before then. Looking for the previous high for the hourly here. Let's just see if we can get some alignment here. We have the DXY selling off, so you can see here that I'm in the long. I'm in the long here. We've got 25 minutes before the giveaway ends, guys. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, you need to tune in now. All right, let's see if we can sell off further here for our best friend oil. That would be beneficial here if this wants to buy up. That wouldn't be ideal. We'll see what happens. M&Q still playing around, not breaking through completely here. We'll see. Gold is buying itself up nicely. Let's see if we can get a break through the highs here for gold. It's just a little bit lower. All right. Let's see what happens. This might be the top wick that's being created in this fair value gap, so it's a bit of a riskier play here, guys. Like I said, I'm using the money that I made on the previous trade, so make your own decisions here. If they close below 8, then this could be the top wick for the continuation play lower. But yeah, we had some selling pressure here on the DXY. That's currently away, so it looked like a good setup here for the DXY in a minute. But yeah, oil also sold off, but it's not selling off anymore. Let's see though. Let's see what happens here. How late is it? We have a 15-minute closure here in 2 minutes. That's not looking ideal. Yo, what's happening? Dr. Himad, how are you doing, bro? Welcome to the live stream. One minute until this closure. Closing back above 7 o'clock open. That's not ideal. Got a new 15 opening up here in 5 seconds. Yeah. What I will do is I will throw my stop below the current 5-minute low. So I'm reducing my my risk by a lot here. I personally don't like it. The closure here for oil. Back above 7. So I might get taken out here, as you guys can see. We'll see if I can survive or not. So I have a really, really small stop now here. Yeah, it's selling off pretty nicely here for M&Q. Yeah, I did not get my entry though. I might take it out here. No, I'm still alive on gold here. And still alive. And I got taken out now. So a small stop loss here for 20 bucks here on gold. Instead of 100, so that's good here. Yeah, I bought gold, but I trilled it out here because of the closure here for oil. Oil's closure is not good. If it closed below 7 o'clock and it closed bearish, I would say, yeah, hold on to the position. But no, it's not favorable. Gotta cut the losses when they aren't good. You know what I'm saying? Gotta cut them. Yeah, we're buying up pretty heavily here for oil. great trading management. Yeah, we gotta do our best here. Sometimes you pull yourself out a little bit too soon and it ends up being the right trade. But yeah, if the contra products are selling me something else, and we're also in the fair value gap here, we really need to see that, you know, like that they disrespect it completely and buy through it here, because we would have been taken out here now, right? So W in the chat for managing our trade. We would have been out for probably, I think, what was it? Yeah, 70 bucks or something like that, instead of 20. So now we can use that to do a different shot at the market again. You know what I'm saying? $20 more minutes here, guys, for the giveaway to end. If you want to join into the giveaway, you have an option to join here now. I'll send you guys the link. Feel free to join. I still see shorts on gold. Yeah, you might be right here, bro. You might be right, especially with oil closing higher, DXY not selling off anymore. Then yeah, this could definitely be shorts here. This could be the top wick here for the hour. We'll see how they close. We might give it a shot here for the shorts. Then we short it down to the downside like this, with the top wick as our protection. This could also be the play, my friends. This could also be the play. Let's see how they close everything. And then this could be the bottom wick for the current day on oil, on the dollar here, coming back into the previous day range, finding itself support, moving higher. And then this would be the first level to see of interest for the dollar. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. We also rated previous day's lows here on oil. Looks like they could break out. We need to see a breakout above these 8 o'clock highs. And then we could potentially see it come back towards 6 o'clock here, into the unmitigated fair value gap. This might also be a play here for gold. And the first target could be the 6-hour low. Right here. Let's see how they close, guys. Let's see how they close. For gold. Two. 30 seconds until the closure. We got the news coming out in 10 minutes from now. It's a bit dangerous here, guys. I'm not in this trade, guys. Did not even have the opportunity to enter as of yet. Let's see. Do I want to enter this trade? I'm entering a short position here for gold. I'm entering here. Stop is above the current hourly high. I'm risking yeah, what I made on the day now. So if they take me out, then it is what it is. We'll see what happens here though. This could be a top wick for the 5 for the flip. That would be what I'm aiming for here. Back towards the 6-hour low. As you can see here, right? And if this gets taken out, I'm basically break even on the day. And then yeah, we'll see what happens. Bro, I'm on NQ, not MNQ. That's why the high was taken on the 4 hour for you earlier. My bad. Don't worry about it, bro. I was just wondering what you were looking at. Appreciate it, though. Thank you for letting me know. Let's see if they want to sink through. We got some buying pressure here for the DXY, which is nice. Let's see if we can also have some buying pressure for oil here. Breakthrough 8 o'clock highs would be our first objective here for oil. Got some nice selling pressure on gold at the moment. Would be nice if this just sinks down. I'm gonna lower my risk by trailing it above the current 5-minute high. So I'm trailing my stop. As you can see here, trailing my stop. Currently into 6. We need to see a nice breakthrough here. That's nice. Good closure. Good closure on the 1. All right. I'm moving myself to break even here. If they flip it now from 6, that wouldn't be ideal. So I'm break even on this position. I'm just hoping to foresee a flush through here 6, go back into the current 6-hour lows here. Let's see. Let's see if this wants to do it for us, guys. We have some buying pressure here on the DXY, but we need to really buy through towards the daily open. Got 2% on my phone, so I hope this actually goes. I hope it goes. Yeah, we're buying up here. Let's see if this wants to do it. And oil's also buying up through 8. We need that to buy through. We're buying ourselves up again here for gold. Let's hope it can sink through here, guys. It's respecting 6 o'clock right now, and that's precisely why I went to break even here. Also 2 o'clock, so you have your 8 o'clock open and your 6 o'clock open that we're trying to break through here at the moment. Tough markets. Tough markets today, guys. Really tough. Let's hope it works, though. We got 12 more minutes here before the giveaway. 6 more minutes before the news. I want to be out before the news happens, so... either take me out on break even or give me my take profit here, please. If it sinks now, I should say please more often. Only 40 likes? No, we're already at 101 like, bro. We're already at 100 likes. Thomas, do you know the high? Do you know the high resistance liquidity and the low resistance liquidity? Yeah. I do. Yeah, the 8 o'clock sell was a nice play here, guys. The moment we closed back below 6, that was a good one. It hit break even for me already. I don't know how I did that. He ended a little bit later than me. That's for sure. I'm still in. Like I never came near my break-even point here. I hope you hit DP. Yeah, that would be nice. We got 4 more minutes until the news. It should start sinking already if I wanna, you know, It's not doing it though. It's coming towards my break even at the moment. Let's see. I'm watching the timer real closely here. If we reach into like the last like 30 seconds, 45 seconds ish, I might just close it because then it can start wicking. So we'll see. We got 56 people tuned in for the giveaway. 9 minutes until it ends. If you want to sign up, you have to sign up now, guys. It automatically stops in 9 minutes, so you have no choice. You're either in time or you're not. All right, let's see if we're syncing through here now. 2 minutes. You know what? I'm gonna close it full here. I close the full position. They might break through, but if they buy back up, yeah, it's 2 minutes. All right, close the full position here, guys. So I close it full here. As you can see here, I'll show you actually. There you go. So fully closed out. No more, nothing more on the chart here. Yeah, we got 1 minute until the news. I'm gonna be wondering what the news does here. I'll be close it precisely at the bottom here. That's nice. I'm gonna be wondering what the news does here, guys. Yeah, so you tap back into the daily open for the Nasdaq, back into the opening gap. Is this gonna be the buy up again? That would be crazy. Remember I called the drop on NQ, Thomas? Yeah, well played. No news trading. Yeah, I'm not trading it. I'm not trading it. Got 110 people watching. If you guys enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the like. There you go. And there you have the news. Yeah. So anyone who was shorting it now got liquidated. And same here for gold. We made the right decision here. Yeah, that's PPI in a nutshell for you guys. See a lot of emotion in the chat. A lot of emotion in the chat. That's why this is the main reason I avoid trading news, guys. This is the main reason why I avoid trading news. It needs to go lower. Well, it doesn't have to do anything, bro. That's the thing with the markets, right? It could go low for sure. I don't see no reason why it couldn't. Like looking at the structure, it definitely gives some vibes for lower downside potential. But the markets can do whatever it wants, bro. That's why I always tell myself that I don't know what happens next. I don't praise myself when I'm right, so I don't feel bad when I lose, because you can't know what happens next. I wish, but it's uncertainty, guys, right? We're all trying to play the edge here. It's all about being right when you're in the position. That's all that matters, right? Let's see what happens here on gold. Alright, gold is selling off again after touching midnight open here. Look at that. Really nice. But I mean, it did all the chop and resting to the upside, and that all the resting to the upside for 2 days, and then it spikes up. It can't go. Calm, bro. It will melt. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it might. Indeed, it might just, you know, melt to the downside. Yeah, it could definitely drop. Trade the continuation momentum here for the news. You do have some low resistance liquidity resting above here on the hourly time frame for the Nasdaq, and it's just squeezing, right? It's just squeezing. For the pattern traders, this is a bull flag right now. Yeah, no, I see what you're saying. Take note. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying, amigo. We're always right until we enter a position. That is, it's just how it is, man. It's just how it is. Murphy's Law, yeah, could be. It could definitely be the case, bro. I think personally it is with trade. You know what the thing is with trading? Is that you need to truly accept uncertainty, right? And it's really hard in trading because you feel like a fucking god when you tell what you say this is gonna happen and it happens, alright? And that's also like how can I say that? It's a bit of the how do you say that? That's a bit of the standard they created right now in the trading industry. That there's people that say that they truly know what happens next and stuff like that, and they're the fucking legends and they know everything and they coded the algorithm and what fuck not. But then again, it doesn't work that way, you know, because the problem is how many times are you honest to yourself when you say this is gonna happen and it doesn't happen, right? Is that what I'm saying? Why is the market so bad today? It's accumulating with news and stuff, bro. Because a lot of news events this week. So that's probably the main reason. We've got 1 minute and 30 seconds left for the giveaway, guys, if you want to join in. Feel free to join in if you want to. We've got 1 minute and 30 seconds left. It automatically draws, so I can't... You have to join now if you want to be a part of it. So prices are waiting time to align. Yeah, it's just waiting for a decision, bro. Like it's an indecisive market right now. So a lot of people are dealing here. There's a lot of buying and selling going on, and they need to agree upon whether or not it's going to be selling lower or higher, right? If you think about action market theory, right now in this range, they just accept that this is the current price. Yeah, we just stepped back into the daily open for the dollar. So it could go, if it stays above the open here, then it's probably bullish. But it's a bit iffy situation for me. We didn't take this. Yeah, overall, we're still doing okay here. So we got a trill stop here. We made profit here. We took the full trade off here. So even though we're not really going anywhere, because if you look at it from the higher time frame perspective, we haven't moved a single dime the moment we started trading. Like, sure, we went up heavy and down heavy, but we went nowhere. And yeah, it's the same shit for the Nasdaq basically, right? So you had the move up, and we captured the move up for 60%, and we took it off. And then you had the 8 o'clock sell. We did not get involved on because it never came back to 6, and I didn't want to take the trade. Otherwise, we had the shorts from 6 if I wanted to take them, and it worked out. Yeah, that's it basically, right? And now you tap back into the daily open, and you're playing around the weekly open here. It's just what's happening right now. Nothing is really happening. If you look on the weekly time frame, we're just buying up, buying down, and for the daily, it's the same stuff. Interesting market, guys. Interesting market. Let's see if Asia low is the target for the reversal back higher, or they want to go higher from the opening gap here. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. Take note. Yeah, that's how it is, man. But that's, you know, like if you're not in a position, you're unemotionally biased, right? So you can make really rational decisions, and that changes the moment you put money on the line. You know what I mean? That changes the moment you put money on the line here. All right, I'm gonna end the giveaway here. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let me know in the chat. Press 1 in the chat if you guys are ready for the giveaway here. Are you guys ready? Ready to rumble? Press 1 in the chat. You can join in now still if you want to join in. I give you guys 1 more minute to join in right now. I'll send it out in the chat. If you want to join in, you have to join in now. Give you guys 1 more minute here. So the next minute here on the chart, I'm counting it down. Bro, how my chart is zoomed in for no reason. How do I do that? I just zoom out. I know that. I have no idea, bro. I don't know what you mean. You could press on escape. Give you guys 1 more minute. If you want to join, you have to join now. Let's see what happens here, though. Ten seconds, guys. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let me end the giveaway here. Are you guys ready? Press 1 more W in the chat, and then we're gonna start it. Then we're gonna end the giveaway here. All right, here we go. 200K CFD accounts are coming right now. Let's see who wins it. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. All right, Raju and Brianna, welcome. Good job. Congratulations. Let me know in the chat if you're still here, if everything is working out for you, if you received the mail. Well played. Congratulations for you guys. Congratulations. And guys, you always have another chance to win. Keep tuning in. Oh, Beef, you want another one, huh? Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Raju, well played. Well played. Fuck, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, beef one another time. That's crazy. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's just how it is, guys. It's just how it is. I don't select it. The system selects this. Everyone has an equal chance of winning here. The first dude entered multiple times. I see, indeed, but that's not possible, my friend. I can see that he entered multiple times, but I'll have a check here. Thank you. I'm gonna let the I'm gonna let the organization know. Thank you very much. It shouldn't be possible because then he uses multiple email addresses. But thank you. I'll let you know. Thank you very much. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna get it sorted right now. Okay, give me 1 second. 1 second, guys, because I don't really like it when this happens. It's not fair. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm typing this out. Thank you very much for letting me know. I'll look into this. Greg, did you enter 3 times, my friend? You gotta be honest with me now, if that's the case. If that is the case. If you entered 3 times, my friend, it's not fair to other people, my friend. I can't appreciate that. So we're gonna check if this is the case, and if that's the case, there probably will be some measures against doing that. Alright, let's see. Alright, so for the winners, congrats. Congrats. Yeah, but it's if you use different emails, like you know what I mean, like I don't know. It could also be this could also be a copy that it's a fill in the system, right? It could also be a fill in the system. You see, so it might not be the case here. It might not be the case, right? That's why I'm just asking. Because it might also be that the site is just showcasing 3 the same people here. And it's not the case, right? But it is what it is, guys. The winners are picked for today. Congratulations on winning. Hopefully it was all fair and square here. Hopefully it was all fair and square. But yeah, if not, I'll make sure that we're going to try and fix something for that for the future here, guys. Okay, you got my word on that. All right, guys. So we're gonna check into it for the fact that whether or not this is actually the case here. But for the sake of honesty, guys, for the guys that are still here now at this current moment, we're gonna do a giveaway now. Yeah, we're gonna do one real fast. A 10k account. We're gonna give away 2 10k CFD accounts for you guys, and we're gonna do a fast one. Okay. So everyone who's here now, press 1 in the chat. Just for the sake of honesty, right? I don't like it. Whether or not this is the case or not, we don't know yet. But if I find out his account will be terminated here, he's not gonna get access if he's gonna join 3 times, guys. Come on, guys, right? We're not foolish here. So if that's the case, well, sad for you. You should have played by the rules, my friend. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna set up run right away for a 10k account CFD. And we'll do it instantly. So you have 2 minutes to join here. And then it's going to be done and loaded. Okay? 2 minutes to join. Guys, don't join with multiple accounts. If you do it, you're also going to get terminated. I'm telling you right now. Okay? So be fair and square. I know you guys are fair because there was only one guy that did it. So shame on you. And here we go. Link is in the chat. Link is in the chat. Join it right away, guys. Join it right away. You got 2 minutes time to join. 2 minutes of time to join here. All right, here we go. 2 minutes, guys. Don't enter with multiple accounts. I'm telling you now. Here we go. 2 minutes. Counting it down right now. I didn't even think of it, Thomas. No, I know. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Honest, fair, and square. Honest, fair, and square. Make sure you're all set and loaded here, guys. Make sure you're all set and loaded. Says I'm already entered. The link does not work. I'll make a new. I'll send it over again, guys. Give me a second. Give it another crack here. Reload the page. It should work because other people are also in here. It should work, guys. See multiple people entering, so. Your name is you're at the beginning, right, Electric? Alexandru, you're at the beginning, my friend. I think you guys are already in, my guys. I think you're already in. Okay. You're already in. We're doing one more, yeah, for the sake of honesty, because someone seems like someone cheated the system here. But if you got an issue, just sign in and out of IQ. Sign in and out of IQ. I'll give you guys 1 more minute here. Just sign in and out of IQ. And otherwise, my apologies. I can't do anything as of this moment if it doesn't work. For a lot of people, it worked. I can see it here. You're also here. There you go. Right here. Look at it. That's you. Yeah, you're also in, Erzen. You're also in, my friend. So if you have an issue, just sign. I give you guys 1 more minute. Sign in and out of IQ and re-click the link again. And then I'll end it. Got a couple of people in here now. 29 people. Greg also here. I'm in. All right. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. This will be the last giveaway for today. Just for the sake of honesty, normally we do 1 giveaway a day. But yeah, it is sometimes, you know. Someone actually did something that wasn't supposed to happen here, sadly. Alright, 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There we go. All right, Stefan, And Gino, well played, guys. Gino, lekker ouwe. Well played. All right, guys. Really good. Awesome for you guys. Double W in the chat for the guys that won. Congratulations. Yes, I'm here. Thanks. Hey, geen probleem, ouwe. Well played, Steven. Well played, guys. Congratulations for the ones that won. Congratulations for the ones that won. And for the next time, we're gonna see whether or not the guy actually did something he wasn't allowed to do. And if that's the case, he's gonna be terminated, right? The account's gonna be gone for him. So don't worry, right? If that's the case. And yeah, we'll try to figure it out for the next time, of course, right? I don't see any double names today, so you guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys for being honest, giving everyone an honest opportunity to win. Yeah, but it should be yeah, but it should be good, Frank. Maybe that is because it was so short notice behind one another. But you were in, so it's not a problem. Maybe it was just a short notice, bro. Because of the short notice. But congratulations for the winners. Let me know if you received the account, Stefan. Let me know if you received the account, amigo. And then, yeah, I guess that's it for me today, guys. To be honest, we're up overall on the day. We have a win on the Nasdaq, a loss on the Nasdaq, a trilled loss, and we had one trilled loss on gold, one win, and one win. So I think I'm gonna call it for what it is today. The market is just not favorable. Look at how it's moving, right? I hope for the guys that are in the shorts that you made your money. I hope it's going to continue shorting down. But I'm personally not really looking at it from this angle anymore. I think it's not doing anything. So, awesome, Stefan. It's good to... Peter and Stefan, good to hear, guys. Well played. Yeah, I'm going to call it for what it is, guys. Okay? So, I wish you guys a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for being here today. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Same time as usual. I'm going to be here at 6 a.m. And tomorrow's Friday. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much, every single one of you guys. So we're gonna edit. We're gonna end it as usual. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Thank you, guys. Much love. Much love, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're ending up the day green, so that's good. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right? You guys are awesome. Join the free Discord, by the way. Join the free Discord. A lot of amazing people in here. So join the free Discord. I'll send you guys the link once again. Real fast. Real fast. Real fast. Real fast. Join the free Discord if you want to. You can join it now. And then I'm going to call it for what it is, guys. See you guys later. Have a good one. In a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. Ciao, 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 ciao. Love you guys. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.